So today on Josh MK1 we are gonna install the front suspension as well as the control arm, brake and knuckles. I'm currently cleaning and protecting the new suspension, the new Scirocco suspension. I'm using a bow shield protector. It's provided in the Scirocco suspension in those little bottles here. So it's protected from rust, corrosion and everything. It's a good product. Gonna be able to install this beautiful restored MK1 knuckle. New bearings, new hubs. Sandblasted the knuckle, painted it. Sorry for all the sound. Alright, so now it's time for the big brake kit conversion. Let's go get those brakes. Good morning, Gabriel.
Welcome back to Tech 53, keeping old school performance alive. What we got today, one of our customers' car, project car. It's a full rebuilt mechanical from A to Z, 1.8T swap, new transmission all redone. The internal of the engine is all redone. Brake kits, hardline replacement, new master, everything. So we'll just go around and probably talk a few points on the different products that are on the car. Let me start off with the front big brake kit. We have both the 10.1 and 11 inch kits, so 256 and 280 millimeters. We use the starting point of the standard Scirocco 16 valve rotors or the Corrado G60 rotors. This means that you can use off-the-shelf components. We also have our own in-house model of rotors, lightweight, two-piece, with the aluminum hats that use the same offset and everything. So it's the replica design of the OEM discs. So either or, you could adapt whatever you want as the rotor itself. The reason we decided to put the smaller one here, the 256. It will enable to keep 14-inch wheels. So we're the only ones that have this large brake with the 14-inch wheel option. It's a great thing. We have here the Scirocco suspension, perfect value for the money, street application wise, kind of comfortable. They're not made for the track or anything. The valving is actually made by the KW group. We have our brake lines that come with the kit. we also have the hardline conversion kit. So what does that mean? I will show you that in a second. This is a 1977 Mark I Scirocco. The brake lines stock actually are routed inside the car, starting from 78 after they're routed underneath the car. This will enable to do either or. I will show you that in a second. Let's take a look at the engine bay. All right, we have here 1.8T with the O2J box that came with it. All the internals have been redone. This actually also has been serviced by us. Everything in the inside is totally rebuilt. And the hardline conversion kit you can see here. This is the old style master with a smaller booster. So you can take a look, and you know the Fab guys here did a wonderful job on routing the hoses and everything. The Tech 53 mounts, we came out with a real nice kit. Actually, it was listed today. Everything that you need, the mounts, the bushings pressed in, the other bushing in the back, the actual bolts for the engine mounts and everything else, the clutch cable actuator. I mean, everything that you need mechanically to make a swap is available in that one bundle. This has that bundle. As you can see, the engine is very well placed. I think it needs to be outlined that the mounts are made to go with the 1.8T. If you're putting an O2J with an AEB style or the 16 valve, an 9A or something like that, or the earlier style blocks with the external water pump, sometimes you might need to shim the mount in the back because it's not really placed at the same place as the 1.8T mount. We're gonna have another episode showing you the in and outs of what the kit, how to install it and everything else, and the orientation of the, but that's for another thing. So we're just gonna continue walking around. Inside here, we also fitted a Cooler Works bottom mount O2J. The customer really wanted to keep the OEM type look and feel, and we were able to achieve that and make the mock-up with the center console that's original from the Scirocco. The customer is quite happy with that, how it turned out. Nice work in progress. We will keep you guys posted on the developments, and Thomas will probably make a couple of videos of when he's working on the car, doing a great job. So all that, see you guys soon, buy some stuff.